In this video, we'll show you how to install the RYSE SmartCurtain onto your curtain rod. To get started, you'll need your RYSE SmartCurtain, a curtain on a compatible rod, and 2 charged 18650 batteries. Lift the carabiner arm up until the lock slides firmly into place. Repeat for the opposite side. With the front of the device facing you, gently press the top of the carabiner. Then, push the arm forward and swing it open. Repeat for the opposite side. Make sure your curtain rod is secured to the wall. Move your curtain to the fully open position and open up the first pleat where you'll be installing the device. Hook the carabiners around the rod until they are resting firmly on it and the device is upright. Close each carabiner arm until you hear it click into place. Holding the SmartCurtain with both hands, pull down and press both of the carabiner locks at the same time, gently guiding the device upwards until it hits the rod. You can follow these same instructions to install your device behind the curtain so it's hidden from view. If your curtain rod has a lip, cover it with the provided metal tape. Center it over the lip and place it directly on top, then gently smooth down all the edges. To install the batteries, lift the latch at the bottom of the device and swing the battery pack out 90 degrees. Then, gently pull the pack free from its compartment. Align the batteries with the plus and minus labels on the compartment, and then insert them. Put the pack back into the compartment at a 90-degree angle, and swing it back into place until you hear a click. Your SmartCurtain is now installed on your curtain rod. To complete the setup process, download the RYSE app and proceed with pairing.